Hey there operators, I'm Josh with Dig Pig Products, and in this video we're talking about everything to do with the Cover Seat Carbide tool, a must-have tool for any operator looking to get the most out of their Dig Pig silencer. But before we go through the functions of this tool, there are a few other things that we're going to need, starting off with our refresh kit. And it's really important when we're picking a refresh kit that we make sure that it matches up with the nozzle that we're using. In this case, we have a number 4 nozzle and we have a number 4 refresh kit. Again, ensure that these two match up. The second thing we're going to be looking at is our covers, and we have two different options to choose from. We have our standard cover, great for protecting the internals of your nozzle, but also great for sloping and those straight walls that we all like to get. We also have an HD cover, which provides even more protection to the internal components while also giving some splashback protection to the operator. In this case, we're going to use our HD cover. Now, the first function of our Cover Seat Carbide tool is removing the seat from our nozzle. Let's go ahead and do that. First things first, we need to unscrew our housing assembly from our inlet. There we go. We're going to remove our old rotor. I'm going to put it down. Now we're going to take our Cover Seat Carbide tool and we're going to put it right on the tip here of our housing and we're going to press down. Just like that, we've removed our seat. Now we can take this seat, we can take a look at it, look for any kind of breaks, chips, or dents. If you see anything like that, it usually means it's time to replace your seat, so we can put that down to the right and grab our new seat. The second function of this tool is to replace the seat inside of the housing. And the way we do that is take our new seat, put it upside down on our Cover Seat tool, and then we line up the ridges here of our tool with the inside of our housing. Once that's done, just press. And like that, we have our seat fully seated. Nice and easy. The next function of this tool is to remove the cover. And the way that we do that is just by grabbing the cover here, looking for the cut in our little spiral ring, put your finger on the opposite end of the cut, and then using the little point here on your Cover Seat tool, just lift up the ring and then put your finger underneath it. This way we can go all the way around with our finger and pull the spiral ring out. The next thing we're going to do is put this inside of our housing, and then we're going to use a wrench to pull it off. Now in my particular case here, this guy is pretty loose, but if it wasn't, all we would do is turn to the left with a wrench, and that housing comes right out of our cover. And once you get to a certain point, you might be able just to pull it right out there. Just like that. And we can take a look at this cover. As you can see, this guy's been bent, broken, has a little bit of scrapes and dents. We definitely want to look at replacing this one now. We're going to grab our HD cover, place that right on top, and screw this back in. Now this will be pretty easy to do at first, but once you get down to the bottom, you will need your wrench again, and we need to make sure that this is all the way down. So just like that. Now we can take our Cover Seat Carbide tool out and we can grab our spiral ring, open this up, place one part of our spiral ring inside the lip just above the housing, and then once we have that in there, we can take our finger and just go all the way around like this, pushing it into place. There we go. And now we can take our rotor, place it on top of our inlet, grab our cover and housing, and then just press down and screw it back together. And there we go, operators. We've gone through all the functions of our Cover Seat Carbide tool. As you can see, it makes operation and maintenance of your silencer so much easier. A highly recommended tool for operators that are serious about hydro excavation. Dig Pig Products, built by operators for operators.